This is Reading Tai Chi. We're working on the second section of the Yang style long form. In the last video, we worked on the heel kick, which comes after the two kicks to the diagonal. So to review, we start with single whip. We do pat the horse high. The hands separate, sink, rise, one kick to the northwest, sink, put our foot down, rise, sink, kick. Then we put our foot down, pivot on the right foot, sink on the right foot, the right hand goes under, rise, sink, and then heel kick to the east. From there we roll back and step out and do brush knee and push. So that's where we stopped on the last video. So I'm going to face the camera and continue from that point. So from the heel kick to the east, I sink and roll back, and then I step out, rise, sink and turn, brush knee, and push. From here, my weight is forward, I rise, shift my weight back, my hands come up level. I'm going to pivot, turn my left foot to the north, and as I do that, turn my right hand over and roll back, and shift my weight forward and step, and we're back into a brush knee again. Sink forward, brush knee. Okay, so again, from the first brush knee, we do our kick and then we step out, rise, sink and turn, brush knee, sinking back on the rear leg, rise and push. From here, left hand comes up, turn the foot, roll back, center yourself, step forward, rise, sink and turn. Now, you can always check yourself on the brush knee as far as foot position. If you bring your front foot straight back, turn your other foot in, you should be shoulder width apart on all your steps. If you step too narrow, if you're stepping too narrow and this foot comes back and hits your heel, it's going to be awkward to do the steps through this. So once again, we go roll back after the kick, brush knee, sink, rise and push. Direction is to the east. Rise, roll back, step forward, rise, sink and turn, brushing the knee again. Then from here, after the push, we rise, right hand comes up, roll back, and then instead of the brush knee, we close the right hand and push down, sinking forward, weights on the left leg. It's like a closed hand Tai Chi fist, which is very soft, it's not tight. Very soft fist, pushing down. Okay, you end up with the weight mostly on the front leg, on the left leg. So from a side view on this, after our kick, roll back, step out, brush knee, push. Turn the foot, step forward, rise, sink and turn, brush knee again. Rise and push. Weight is forward. Rise, shift your weight back. That allows you to turn the right foot to the south, roll back. When your hands are back here, they act as a counterbalance to your foot. Close the right hand, rise. This hand's coming up almost like you're going to hit yourself, but it doesn't. It's kind of hiding behind your hip a little bit. Then pushing forward, brushing the knee, and push down. Okay? You can sink to various depths. If you can't bend your legs or you can't sink a little bit. If you want to, you can sink lower, but you need to be comfortable too. We don't want to have our feet too close together because with that we have a tendency to pick up our heel. Also, if your knee is inward, you have a tendency to pick up your heel. If we sink with our feet, once again, shoulder width apart, and we sink with our knees coming out a little bit, we'll sink down and our foot will remain flat as we do this. Okay, so let me face the camera again. We do that. Brush knee, push, roll back, step out, rise, sink and turn, brush knee, push, roll back, step out, brush knee, push down. Okay, I'm going to do it in a direction that you can follow me. We kind of go this direction here. I'll be kind of at an angle. I think you can follow this way. So from our last kick, the heel kick, we roll back, brush knee, and push. Rise, sink, step out, rise, sink and turn, brush knee, push, rise, roll back, step forward, close the right hand, rise, and then sink forward, pushing down. Okay, so that's the movement. It's a push down with a closed fist, and we want to make sure we're not leaning on this. Also make sure you don't have your foot up. Your knee points out to about 45 degrees. Feet should be shoulder width apart in this final position here. Okay, so that covers that movement.